Swadikap guys, good morning. Today is our second day over here in Pai and we all are ready to move. I don't know where.
We're going to Bangladesh, Thai, bro.
Yeah, first we are going to have breakfast and then we'll proceed for other destinations that we are not aware of right now. See you. Guys, here we stopped to rent some bikes and we have decided to take this one. This is around 350 baht per bike. Hey, everywhere. You can take it out. Here we are on the bikes now. Hey! And this is mine. Guys, here's the cafe. View dekh lo aap. This is Two Sisters Cafe. Actually, we took wrong turn. No, we didn't took wrong turn. We didn't take wrong turn. We lagged behind because Sprite was busy in taking some helmet. So all of them are sitting here already. So I just reached. So this is the way. Two Sisters Restaurant. So guys, here we are having our brunch. So guys, we are done with the breakfast. Now we have planned to move towards some cave. Maybe in between we'll stop somewhere. We'll catch you guys there. So guys, we are going to the where? The caves. Well, caves, and it's around 11 a.m. right now, and the way is of almost 1 hour. So guys, we all are moving. Two persons in front of us and one behind. So guys, see, the way is too beautiful, and what else, right? Everything, the way is saying itself. You can see the weather over there. It's like raining and it's cool breeze going on over here. It's too good, guys. So we have crossed that hot spring also. Maybe if it will be possible for us, we'll stop while coming back. It's raining here, so we have to stop. वो देखो बादल ही बादल है, and it's such a cool place. See, guys, here we have stopped. This is a sort of viewpoint. So let's have a look. It's literally wonderful. So here is where we are going, Lord Cave and Mailana Cave. There are two caves, three caves, Farm 1 cave as well. Guys, this is another side of this. Here is cafe, and see, we can have a fun on this as well. Not that much view from this side. Guys, we reached nearby the city, and from here we have taken the right turn towards the cave, and it is around 8 kilometers from here now. So guys, we have reached somewhere. It's mentioned Cave Lodge, but we don't know where to go. So we are waiting here. It's typical village type area, but the way was too good. So guys, here we have almost reached. So ये हमारे travel buddies हैं. These are the ones. Guys, this is the one. Tham Nam Lord Wildlife and Nature Education Center. See guys, everywhere they are here. Guys, this is the not background, what we call nutshell. Like that is cave entrance and how we have to go. This is the map. And actually this cave has 3 sections: Column Cave, Doll Cave and Coffin Cave, and this tells the story of prehistoric human habitation dating back around 1400 years ago. So as I told you, Coffin Cave, because it reveals the ancient funeral practices through teak coffins that will be seen in this. Also, this cave is formed by the Nam Lang river, as you can see little bit afterwards when we'll move inside, and due to water and petrified waterfalls, particularly it will be there in the column section that has made the columns. That is why it is known as Column Cave. Ignore. Good. Guys, we are so-called Thais over here because we have taken the tickets. We have purchased. How much did the cost?
1,020 baht. You have Thai people, 3 Thai people, and 7 foreign.
Okay. So cannot conclude anything anyhow. So same way, right? Keep left. So this is the way.
He's gonna be asleep.
Wanna sleep?
So guys, this is bridge. So guys, that was the bridge which is now closed, and that's the cave. अभी हम इसी में जा रहे हैं. खैर
भाई अभी एक ही केव ले जाएंगे.
So here it's the temple. So this is that river probably which I was talking about, Nam Lang river. So guys, we are moving forward. So just to cope with this less light intensity, they have put the lanterns over here. One is there. And another one is here. ये देखो, ये तैर कर आ रहे हैं, तैर कर हम ऐसे ही जाएंगे. Oh, it's not like a wooden bridge, but it's like a floating one. So have seats. So we have to sit on there. Huh? So see, they are sitting, guys. So guys, see, this is like a bamboo rafting. I think so. This is what they have shown over there. So we are going by this. And the light is only of lantern, nothing else is there except my flashlight. Oh, it's collision. So you can see, this is actually first section column. These are, so this is column cave. So see guys, it's actually too dark. I have adjusted some settings so it is coming little bit light. Otherwise you can see it's all the light of a lantern only. I think so we got stuck, or no, we have to move now towards the other side. It's actually a little bit difficult to move because it is going on either of the sides. Hop na khap. So other gang is coming. So these are basically the columns. Stairs going somewhere. Acha, we have to go by this only now. So guys, it's dripping everywhere. अभिषेक, बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. Can come. Coming good. So these are flow stones, like waterfall. They have waterfall like characteristics, and when the water flows over large surface area for a long time, it causes sedimentation and release carbon dioxide along with, which makes them like this. Ajhan has lack of knowledge in this. Also, these shines when light is focused on these. Yeah. Okay.
As is groundwater, sinkhole. So big hole.
ऐसे जाएंगे कि इसके ऊपर पाएंगे तो
नहीं,
सिंखुल नाम है उनका.
नाम ही है, जाने भी नहीं देते होंगे तो. So here comes the popcorn stone. You can see it's all popcorns.
Wow.
Cheese.
It's like kill. Look like a cheese, right? Yeah. Oh, maybe the giant food. Maybe your juice. Giờ thì có ba là juice. Let's go now.
This looks like a turtle. This is known as frog because it is in the shape of frog. It's quite big, but not more than that of Phu Pha Phet caves. So guys, यहाँ आप ऊपर से देख सकते हैं जैसे पानी जो है that is dripping and it is falling and making a typical structure which is known as stalagmites. So these stalagmites are basically formed when calcite water जो होता है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट वाला सीलिंग से गिरता है और बाद में पानी जो है वो इवेपोरेट हो जाता है, लेकिन कैल्शियम जो है वो एक्यूमुलेट होता रहता है और ग्राउंड पे बढ़ता रहता है. तो इसकी वजह से ये जो स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं वो बनते रहते हैं, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो फोटो में भी और ओरिजिनल में भी. UFO unidentified flying object, but it is not flying at all even. Chai.
Object in unidentified space.
Place. Minding only, bro. Shit, guys.
Be careful.
Slippery as well.
Smell.
So we are going down right now.
Smell good. It's not possible.
That's wet. That's wet only. This water is flowing.
Yeah.
So now guys, we are going back. Boarding on our boats.
Hey, sit, bro. Sit down, sit down. Sit down.
So we are supposed to go there.
Hello, I am Bachelor Saha. And
Dr. Karthik and Bachelor Sahas.
Dr. Karthik is black, that's why he didn't show up here in camera.
कुछ भी.
No, he come now. He gonna white.
This person is racist, just ignore him. बस हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं. We are about to reach within next few seconds. So this was all about. तो पहुंच गए, ये देखो बाकी भी आ रहे हैं. ओह नो, oops moment. ये देखो गाइस, फीडिंग. मर चली हैं अभी बेचारी. चलो so guys, this was all about this caves. Now we'll move towards another site. We'll see. I'll update you. See you.